All-in-One software supports the ability to order products that feature special configurations and add-ons. All-in-One treats each product on the schedule as being one of three types: standard, special, and special with adders. Most of the products on your schedule will be considered standard, which is the default product type in the software. A standard product is one whose configuration settings comply with the standardized list of values presented in the software and is priced automatically. Products that are considered special feature configuration settings that are outside the parameters given in the software. Pricing for these is unique and will be entered into the software by you. Products that are considered special with adders are either standardized or special products that feature add-ons. Add-ons are quoted separately and then added onto the total price of the product. In this short training video, we will take a look at specials. Although we will be building and pricing a special product, it is important to first define the configuration parameters that will not be specialized. This ensures that all other values are validated by All-in-One software before we start manipulating any data. Let's work through an example. Using the Quick Find field, let's add an SCD to the project schedule. The first step in defining a special is to configure the product using the built-in parameters in the software. Once you have built a valid configuration, choose Special in the Type drop-down list. Selecting Special from the Type drop-down list reveals some additional data entry fields. The List Price field displays a value as calculated by All-in-One software based on the current valid configuration settings. Similarly, the Net Price displays. You will later overwrite the List Price field with the price you were quoted. The Quote field is currently blank. You will later populate this field with the quote number. The Line Instructions field is required when you build a special. In this field, you must describe the feature or features that make this product special. Next, let's modify the configuration parameters as required by our customer. Our customer has requested unique dimensions for the panels. Using the valid configuration parameters in the software, we were obligated to select from the available options in the list. Now that we've redefined this product type as special, we have the freedom to overwrite the valid values with special values. Once the product has been specialized, let's document the changes we've made in the Line Instructions field. In order to complete this process, we need to enter the special line pricing and a quote number. Let's assume we already have this information. Notice that by entering a new list price, the net price was automatically recalculated. Also notice that a green triangle icon displays in the status column of the project schedule to highlight that this item is a special, and the quote number displays in the quote column. Since special product configurations are also charged a setup fee, The final step in ordering a special product is to apply this charge. To do this, click New Order in the Home ribbon to launch the ordering view. From here, click Edit My Charges. This launches the Project Properties window and takes us directly to the Manual Charges tab. To add a manual charge, click Add. From here, select a relevant charge category from the list. And finally, enter the list price for the manual charge. Closing out of this window returns us to the ordering screen where you can now apply the manual charge to the order.